how to redeem Capital One shopping rewards. To redeem Capital One shopping rewards, you may follow up these steps. So you can head over to capitalone.com for that. Go ahead and access their account online or through the mobile application. Once you're in the website, you may look out for the signing option at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and you should be taken to the login page here. So you may use your credentials in order to log in that particular page. So once you are logged in order to redeem Capital One shopping rewards, you need to go ahead and go to my rewards and savings tab on the main page. And once you do so, you can just go and click the redeem button next to your available rewards and select a gift card from the list of available retailers and brands and enter the desired denomination or amount for your gift card and confirm it. And that way you can go ahead and redeem your Capital One rewards for shopping. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.